Okay, now the next we are going to see that special cases. Special cases means what? What do you know about the special cases means? Some conditions we will go to implement here. Some conditions. What are the conditions are there that we can understand here? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ? ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇಸ್ why we are going to speaking means some important ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಗ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ when the two vectors are in parallel. Okay, two vectors ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ parallel ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So when two vectors means this is a vector and this one is b vector, both are in the same direction. So then theta equal to what? 0. Then theta equal to 0. We are going to get the what? Theta value is equal to what? 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು. Theta equal to ಏನು ತಗೊಳಕತ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? 0 ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ. So 0 means so then r equal to ಏನದ? square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, plus 2ab ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? cos theta ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. What we are writing now? a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. So here theta equal to 0. So if theta equal to 0 ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? cos 0 is 0. cos 0 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ? cos 0 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 0 sin 0 1 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0. So here so if theta equal to 0 so then cos 0 ಏನದ? it is 1. Okay, cos 0 is equal to 1. So then r equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab into 1 because cos 0 is 1. So then this is look like a what? a plus b whole square formula. a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. 2ab ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? r equal to square root of a plus b whole square. Okay, this square and square get cancelled. So then this r equal to what is that? ab. a plus b. So a plus b means it is maximum magnitude. It's a what? Maximum magnitude ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So next the direction ಇದು magnitude ಆಯ್ತು. So the direction ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? The direction of r. So that is tan alpha equal to formula inverse ಏನಿಲ್ಲ b sin theta divided by a plus b cos theta. Okay, so sin 0 is 0. Sin so 0 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? sin 0 it is a 0. So anything multiplied or divided by the 0 is a 0. So therefore tan alpha equal to 0. Alpha equal to tan inverse of 0. What we are getting? Tan inverse of 0 is again it is a 0. Okay, so therefore alpha equal to what we are getting now? 0 only. The resultant direction is also what we are getting now? 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. The resultant direction is also what we are getting now? 0. Follow the things sir? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ರಿ? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಇದು tan alpha theta sin 0 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ? 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So 0 into b is 0. Anything multiplied with this factor is equal to what? 0. What are things sir? Okay. So this is the one first clear conditions we understood that. Now second we are going to understand it. So if theta is equal to 180 degree, what is the meaning of 180? 180 means both the directions are opposite with each other. So a vector is like this way and b vector is like this way. A vector and b vector. So both are it is in opposite direction. So then r equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, cos here 180 degree we have substitute cos 180. Cos 180 is this is cos 0 is 1. Cos 180 second quadrant it is minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So therefore r equal to what we are going to write on a square plus b square plus 2ab in bracket minus 1. Followed? Minus 1. So then we can write down square root of. So this is a square plus b square plus into minus. Plus into minus is minus. 1 into 2ab is 2ab. Okay, 2ab. This is look like a what? A minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this and this get cancelled. R. Okay, so therefore r equal to a minus b. R equal to a minus b. So similarly we can see that the direction of the r, direction of r. So here tan alpha equal to b sin 180 divided by a plus b cos 180. Okay, cos 180. So then b into sin 180 is 0. Sin 180 ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ 0 ಇರ್ತಲ್ರಿ. Yes or no? Okay, sin 0 0 sin 180 sin pi is also 0. Okay, so sin 2 pi is also 0, like that. So then 0 divided by a plus b, this is 1. So anything multiplied with the 0 is 0 only. So therefore tan alpha equal to 0 or alpha equal to tan inverse of 0. This is 0. Follow the thing, sir? Understood? Okay. So now here if theta is 180 degree, so this is what we are getting. No, if theta is 90 degree, sorry it's 90 degree, means both the vectors are perpendicular with one another. ಎರಡು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ perpendicular ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. perpendicular ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So this is a vector and b vector, a vector and b vector. Okay, so a vector and b vector is equal to what is that? The angle made is theta equal to 90 degree. Okay, theta equal to what we are getting now? 90 degree. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ? R equal to square root of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, cos 90. Cos 90. Okay, cos 90 is 0. So cos 90 what we are getting now? 0. So a square plus b square plus 2ab into 0. So anything multiplied with the 0 is 0. A square plus b square plus anything multiplied with the 0, 0 na agirtada. Therefore r equal to the resultant what we are getting now? A square plus b square. This is the what resultant we are getting. A square plus b square. So now the direction we want to calculate. The direction of r. Another direction of r, tan alpha equal to b sin 90 divided by a plus b cos 90. Sin 90 is 1. Okay, so b into 1 divided by a plus cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 another 0. So therefore tan alpha equal to b by ab, or tan inverse equal to so alpha equal to, therefore alpha equal to tan inverse of b by a. Okay, so this is the main conditions for a special case for the what this parallelogram law of vector additions. We are using all these things in PUC first year as well as in the second year also. First year में भी use करते थे, second year में भी use करते So better you must have to understand this concept. Okay. Now listen, subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors means how we are going to subtracting the vectors. Subtraction of vectors means or yes, yes. Now listen carefully. So subtraction of vectors means what? What is a subtraction of vectors? So as we are knowing that we have added the what two vectors. For example, triangle of vector addition. What we did know. So there we have done the. This is the one A vector. This is B vector. So when it is added, the resolving power like this way. This is A vector. So tail is here and head of this A vector is here. So then when you parallelly when you resolve here, so then we are getting the what B vector. B vector. B the tail A the heading touch again. B the tail enagada A the heading touch again. Okay, so B tail is it is touch to the water A head. So then the A tail to B head we have vectors. We have taken that vector single vector that gives the water effect of that individual vectors and ಕೊಡ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ C vector, that is the resultant vector equal to A vector plus B vector ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೆವು ಅಥವಾ R vector equal to C or R we are using. So we got it. So this way we are going to adding the two vectors. The method it will be the same to subtract the what vectors. The method whatever we adopted the what addition, the same method we are going to adapting for the what subtraction vectors. Here what we are going to do now. So here we are taking the B vector. Its a directions we have changed. Direction ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಾಕತ್ತೆ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದಾಗಿದೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ this becomes the what negative vector. So now see A ದು tail ಅದ ಮತ್ತೆ head ಅದ. ಈಗ B ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ head A ದು head ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A head B ದು head ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so the resultant vector, whatever the resultant is there, no, that resultant vector. So R vector equal to A vector. This is minus no, this is plus of minus B vector. So then it is equal to A vector minus B vector. We are going to see. We are going to see like this. So this one we can take the one O A B. Okay. So according to the from figure we are going to see that is OB vector equal to, that is the resultant vector equal to OA vector plus again this one is AB vector. Okay, OB. So that is OB vector is what we have taken the R vector. OB vector it is the what R vector. Okay, OB vector enadalli R vector. So this is K vector. This is plus of bracket minus B vector. So then this is R vector equal to A vector plus into minus minus B vector. So this way we are going to understanding. So this we are going to call the subtraction of a vector. Subtraction of a vector. Got the thing, sir? Understood? Any doubt? Okay, write down this. See here the subtraction of two vectors means subtraction of vectors. We have written the what subtraction of vectors. As earlier we did the one triangle of vector addition. The same method here we are going to adopting for the subtraction of vectors. What we have done now, so A vector and B vector, when you add, okay, when you added the resultant vector is A vector plus B vector, we got it in triangle of vector addition. But now you can see the direction, it is opposite. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅದ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಟೇಲ್ ಟು ಹೆಡ್ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಹೆಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಇದಕ್ಕ ರೆಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಇದು ರಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so then this is A vector as it is we are written. Okay, so here O is the tail, A is the head. Okay, O is the tail, A is the head, we have already taken it. But this one, okay, B vector, its head to the A head we are touching. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಡ್ ಟಚ್ ಆಗಲಾಗ್ತದ, ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, so earlier what we have taken na tail to head we have taken, so that is plus B vector we have written it. Now what we are taking now, it's a reverse. What we are getting, head to tail. Yen silakattale head to tail. So then that this whatever the vector is there no, so that is negative vector we are getting it. So that is minus B vector. So OA vector, this is minus B vector. Now listen, OB vector, O to B vector is the resultant vector. OB vector we have taken equal to, according to triangle of vector addition, OA vector plus AB vector we have written it. Okay, so here OA vector is A vector plus as it is, but here B vector it is minus because of the direction. So that is minus B vector, plus into minus minus. A vector minus B vector we have got it. Followed? Any doubt? Okay. So now we can understanding the multiplication of the vectors. So how we are going to multiply the vectors? Okay. So now we understood the addition of vectors, subtraction of vectors. Now we are going to do the what? Multiplication of the vectors. Multiplication of a vector, multiplication of a vector by real number, vector by a real number. So you know that real numbers means what? What do you know about the real number? Real number antandreno, which having the what? One, positive, negative and zero, and rational and irrational numbers. Okay, rational and irrational numbers also we have taken in that. Means that we are going to call the real numbers. So if I taken that number and multiplied with the what vector, so the resultant vector what we are getting it. For example, so this is the one A vector is there. This is the what? A vector. Okay. If I multiplied with the n vector, positive n vector, अब एक A वेक्टर बोल के है, अब A वेक्टर को मैं क्या कर रहा हूं, एक n नंबर ले रहा हूं. So A क्या है, वेक्टर है, it is a one vector. Okay, this is the one vector. n क्या है, पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर है, पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. n it is called what? Positive real number. Okay, so if I multiplied with the n with this vector, A vector से multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, So what we are getting now? So this is I have multiplied with the what? This positive n number to the vector. ಈಗ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ a ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಲೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೆ. Okay, so n it is multiplied with the what? A vector. So then what we are getting now? N a vector. Is it correct? N a vector means n times of the a vector we got it. So this one what we are getting now? The direction of the vectors are same. A vector and another one vector. So the multiplication vector, that is n of a vector we are getting now. So the direction is same because positive is there. Positive real number we have taken. Positive real number means both the vectors have the direction is same. Only what we are going to changing now? Its magnitude is going to be changed. Magnitude means what? Number. Okay, it is going to be changed. How many numbers are? For example, if I take and see that. So this is the example I am going to take it. One example. Okay. So a is the vector. A another vector. This is what we are going to get now. Vector. So here n equal to plus 2 we have taken. N equal to what? Plus 2. So this is what we are getting now. This is the real number. This is another real number. Okay. So real number. According to the formula, we are adopting the what formula? That is n of a vector equal to n into a vector. So this is 2 of a vector equal to 2 times of the a vector. Alright. So then this is the what? A vector is there. Okay. So the multiplier by this one, this is the multiple vector means this is 2 times of the a vector. That is the what? 2 times of that a vector we have taken it. This is positive real number I have taken. Okay, this is the what? Positive real number. Example no a todina positive a todina. Example what I taken no positive only. So that's why what happens now when you multiply with that number, other times ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ larger ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. A 1 है तो ये 2 times हो रहा है, नहीं तो 3 times होता. तो कितने times? n times तक भी होता. n number means whatever the number it will be, 1 2 3 4 5, n number of numbers we have taken. Got the thing, sir? Any doubt? Okay, so write down this one. Now we are positive 2 means it is a positive number. This is what? A positive, it is a real number. Now what we are going to do now? We are taking the negative. We are going to see that what will be happen when a negative number is multiplied. Okay. So this is the a vector. N we are consider as a negative vector. Okay. That is minus n. Minus n ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು minus n. So minus n से multiply करें. So we are multiplying with the what? A negative n number to the a vector. So plus into minus, minus n into a, n a vector. Okay. So now coming toward this one, this is what happens though. A vector it will be there. So that will be what? Negative vector means this is the b vector. B vector earlier it was same thing, but when you multiply with the negative vector, its direction is going to be changed. That is b vector equal to n a vector. Okay. So it's a direction is opposite to the a vector. So that is the what? B vector, it is the what? Multiplied with the real negative number. So then what we are getting now? Direction is going to be changed. Direction change. For example, if I take an a vector is there, this is minus 2 vector we have taken. That is negative real number. So this is a n a vector, this is n a vector, this is n what we are taking now? Minus n. This is plus into minus, minus 2a vector. So then what we are getting now? A vector equal to, so this is the direction is going to be changes, that is b vector equal to minus. Okay, so this is 2a vector minus 2a vector. So b vector it is the what? Negative vector of a vector. A vector ಏನಾಗತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ negative vector. Followed? This is how we are going to multiply with our negative vectors. Write down. Huh? One more. One more.